Hey guys, I just want to show you a demo of AI that I done for 20 business leaders here on the Gold Coast. I hope you learned something, you enjoy it, and if you need any help implementing some of these systems into your own business, feel free to reach out to us at any time. I've set up a prompt saying, I've called it Hayley, this AI assistant, and I've said it works at Ashmore Steak and Seafood, given it times and given it a few questions for it to ask. So let's call and hopefully this goes through.
Hello, this is Hayley from Ashmore Steak and Seafood. Can I please grab your name?
Charlie.
Awesome, Charlie. When would you like to book a table?
Can I book a table for this morning at 7 a.m?
Oops, sorry, Charlie. We're open from 11 a.m. How about sometime after that?
Okay, let's do 12 p.m. today.
Great. How many people will be joining you, Charlie?
We'll have 50 people.
Just making sure we can accommodate a feast like that. Do you have any dietary requirements for the group?
There will be 5 vegetarians.
Got it. To confirm, a table for 50 people today at 12 p.m. with 5 vegetarians. Sound good?
Yep, sounds good.
Hold on a sec. All set, Charlie. Your table for 50 people today at 12 p.m. with 5 vegetarians is reserved. See you then.
Thank you. So yeah, this can be a lot better prompt. And what happened here is on this form, it should populate my first name when it asks it on the call. But now you'll see here my call transcript. So 12 p.m. today, 50 people, and you can have that come in and you can also hook this in, which I'll show you after. You could hook this into something like OpenTable, where a lot of restaurants use that for their table booking renovations. So this could actually book those 50 people and go check like, hey, we haven't got 50 seats, sorry, can we do this day as the next available one that we've got 50 seats, which is a lot more complicated. This is just a real basic version at the moment.